This is a lazy $400 per hour Google Make Money Online tutorial for beginners that want to make money online fast without building their own website. Well, what you first of all want to do is you want to go over to Google search and you want to start searching for different businesses around the world. And those businesses can be anything from gyms all the way to barber shops and coffee shops and cookie shops and flower shops. It can be literally any physical business that you can think of that you can search on Google. If I search, for example, for a barber shop in Dubai, I can find all of these different barbershops, all of these different local businesses in that city. Now you can literally target any city in the US, any city around the world, and any business that you can think of. And then you can change variations every single time that you search on Google. Now, you can then use Leads Sniper. If you go to leadssniper.com or by clicking the link in the description box of this video, you will go to this Google Maps scraper. And what this will allow you to do is it will allow you to right away scrape all of the leads and all of the emails from Google search. So that way, with one single search, you can literally get thousands of different leads that you can target and you can market to, and you can sell different products and services too. So you can scrape thousands of leads just from one single Google search. Efficiency boost, time conversion, and enhanced productivity. Here as an example, in just 2 minutes, this person got almost 1,000 leads. That's almost 1,000 people that you can sell something to. And don't worry, I also made a done for you script that you can easily use if you want to. I'm going to give that to you in a second and how to use it as well. But first things first, you would again just need to install this. Also keep in mind that you don't necessarily have to pay from the start. There is a free trial and you get unlimited leads. So it's not like you're limited. You literally get unlimited leads. So what you want to do is you want to select products, select Google Maps Scraper. You would download the Google Maps Scraper. And once you do that, you will just unzip the file. Once you download it, open the installation folder, which is going to look something like this. And it's going to be called installation file. Then you want to go to your Google Chrome extensions. You want to click on extensions, click on manage extensions, or just go to Chrome/extensions. And once you're there, just enable the developer mode. So right here, you want to click on developer mode. You would then just drag and drop that folder so that it installs here on Google Chrome extensions. You can then pin the extensions. You would basically just select it. You would find it over here and you can just pin it. So it's going to be easier to access it. And now you're essentially just ready to use this. And now you can just enter some specific keywords that you're trying to target. So for example, I'm going to target barber shops in Dubai. Then I will just click on start and it's going to actually start scraping Google Maps for me and it's going to start getting those leads for me. As you can see, it's literally doing the work and it's scraping for different email leads and it's scraping for different brands and different companies and different businesses around the world targeting that specific keyword. Now, if I want to stop, I basically just click stop and it stops right there. Now I can just export this as a CSV file. And if I open this up here, I already got 40 different leads, including the information about them and of course the emails and their phone numbers as well. Now, regardless of what you're trying to sell, what kind of affiliate offer or what kind of offer in general you have, you can use this email template. So once you get those emails, you can just send them something like this, where basically you just say like, hey, I noticed that you are, for example, barbershop, or you're a gym, or you're helping people do XYZ, whatever problem they're trying to solve with their business. Then add some personalized line, something that's actually related to what they're doing so that it shows proof that you've actually paid attention. You're not just copy pasting the exact same email. So this will require a little bit more time and effort, but it's way more effective. And then you can say like, so I went ahead and I created a little analysis video that will help you. Where shall I send it? And then just enter the dream outcome. For example, this will show you how to get more customers, or this will show you how to get more clients. This will show you how to rank higher on Google, whatever the dream outcome is of that offer that you are promoting. And then again, where should I send the video? And when they reply, because most people will not reply, that's just the numbers game, but those that reply, you will just go ahead and then create a little analysis video with a platform like Loom. So you can go to loom.com, you can sign up for free, and you can create like a short Loom video where you essentially just describe how that offer that you have will solve a problem for them. And it's going to be way more personalized when you actually show up in front of your webcam, you record a short clip, short video, and then you send them that via email, and then you show them how they they will get a solution if they sign up through your link or they buy your product or service or whatever it is that you're trying to offer. But Lead Sniper definitely makes things a lot easier. As you saw with just one press of a button with its Google Chrome extension, I got all of those different leads that I just exported, and now I can always target with whatever it is that I'm trying to promote. And again, you literally get unlimited leads with no daily or monthly limits at all, and you can try it out for completely free. There is a free trial and there's only a one-time payment, so you don't have to constantly be paying for it. And again, it gives you unlimited leads and unlimited access, and you do have 24 hours a day, full week live chat support in case you need some help with it. So you can try it out by clicking the first link in the description box down below. Either way, I really hope you get some value out of this step-by-step Google tutorial, and if you did learn something new from this free video, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you in some of the next ones.